Welcome for the 21st August 2022 newsletter. Comparing the last week with the current week, the P ratios remains more or less the same. The market capitalization to GDP ratio is also more or less the same, a little bit of upward movement. Relative strength index 65 is also more or less the same. But if we see the relative strength index 14 level, the relative strength index has actually gone up significantly, and that is above the 70 level. And from there is a dip. FII's positions of outstanding contracts, open interest, as far as Nifty future is concerned, has turned negative. This is a big issue, which is almost like 3 lakh plus 1.4, which is 4.5 lakh contracts negative. So Nifty, although it has closed at the higher level than what it was comparatively last week, our views, again, with a disclaimer that you should do your own research. I am just sharing the details with you based on these market levels. Looks negative for the next week. So the trend for the next week can be negative or neutral, but it is only and only for the next week. Moving forward, market capitalization to GDP ratio is remaining same, which is 84.85. For the US market also, it is 170. Last week, it was 172. As you can see, the movement, but still it is above the moving averages, exponential moving averages. So there is nothing to worry as such for the big fall or something like that. But yes, this week will be little negative as we think. Auto sector and reality sector has gone up 18%. On the other side, pharma is positive by 3% only if we see the last 3 months. For the pharma sector, which is the worst performing fund. So this week, let's be ready for a neutral to negative week, and rest I think is absolutely fine. Go through the newsletter. Thank you so much. Look forward to see you next week again.